Hi everybody, pretty straightforward module for this week's chapter on qualitative research. Very different than previous chapters we've had, with some similarities. Let's go to the module. As we've been doing regularly, the practice I really like is having these quizzes. Chapter 11 quiz is like the previous quizzes before it in recent chapters. You get 2 chances at this quiz. It's timed at 15 minutes, and most of the questions are multiple choice. So read the chapter, take the quiz. In addition to that, got another assignment, which is evaluate a qualitative research article, and for this assignment I have given you a qualitative research article, and I need you to answer the questions below to the best of your ability. The questions below are going to be in a separate document that you can download, complete, and resubmit. I'm just realizing now that I did not include that document in the module. I will include it before I release the module, but you will find that document here. It's a Word document, Word template that you can download. I'll insert it into this assignment, so you will download the research article and download the template with the specific questions. For this assignment, answer those questions, evaluate the qualitative research example that I've provided, and re-upload that document for this assignment. I'm also seeing here that I'm missing a number for the page. It's on pages 242 to 243. I'll correct that as well before releasing the module. I just don't want to start this video over again. Third part of the module is to continue work on your research proposals. I'm very pleased that I think we're making great progress on the final project for this class throughout the class. This has been one of the advantages for me that I didn't anticipate in doing an online course, and this is the coming up with assignments and having these assignments relate directly to your final proposal, so that you're working on it constantly. This is the draft of the procedures. The procedures is the third major section of the methods. It's a very important section of the methods because this is a class about research methods, and the procedures are how you're going to implement those methods. So you've discussed these procedures already a little bit in the thinking about your study assignment that was just completed and handed back. So now the task is to go back to those answers to those questions and create an actual narrative that reflects the procedures for your research study. So keeping in mind, all of the things that you're planning to do from start to finish, describing what's going to happen in your experimental or intervention group, what will happen in your control group, who will be doing these things, when they will happen, what will be the time frame. All of the questions that you answered about these specific questions should be integrated into a single narrative. And so that's the third part of this module. One other thing I do want to mention is I've also been thinking a lot about the final exam. I think there's been a lot of work in this class. People on more than one occasion have said they've really learned a lot in this class. I hope that's true. So I'd like some options for the final exam, which I kind of would like to do something with that would make lives a little bit easier. So I've put in a discussion, and I sent an announcement about that. But please provide me some information about alternatives to the final exam. I'm looking now for the first time. I put this up earlier, and I've already gotten 3 suggestions. I haven't looked at them yet, so I'll have to see what they are. But if you haven't contributed to this, please do so. And also, you may want to respond to what other people are thinking as well, whether you think that's a good idea or a bad idea. So please contribute to that discussion. All right, I'm going to go in. I'm going to fix the module or the one assignment that is missing the document template that you'll download and then re-upload about evaluating a qualitative research article. I can never keep those 2 words straight. And fix that, and then I'll release the module. So, all right. Again, if you have any general questions, you can always contact me or use the discussion board as well. All right. See you later.